Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a new stock item here at Grantham, in that of a Solaris 554 2018. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So a fantastic bespoke caravan to us here at Grantham, and we're really proud to have this back in stock. A generous sized front locker box, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles, your electric hookup cable, your step, your steady winder and various light items, being careful and cautious of nose weight. The Solaris range benefits from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. Our bespoke decals from Grantham here in the Solaris logo down the side, with an exterior barbecue point, a wet locker box with a 240 volt socket inside. You've got a rear access hatch to underneath one of those single beds, and also benefiting from a manual engage motor mover already fitted to the caravan. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a very generous sized kitchen work surface. Your Thetford oven benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Ample amount of storage in the kitchen area, both underneath and above. You've got an easy usable height microwave and this sort of greyish coloured trim in the centre of the caravan, and then around the outside you've got the cream colour with that same greyish trim. You've got a small panoramic sunroof located at the front, but one of the great features in this caravan is this very tall sunroof at the top, creating a huge amount of light and a fantastic feeling of space. Our hand-selected Solaris fabric scheme, which you can see here, has been extremely well looked after by the previous owner and in fantastic condition. You've got a television point located down the front with a 240 volt socket, a short chest with short pull-out table and your blown air heating vent there, and the PIR sensor for the alarm located on the left. Your main control centre with your Truma blown air heating panel and Lunar control panel above the habitation door. You've got a generous sized under-counter fridge, just positioned below a nice large wardrobe with hanging space, the multi-directional aerial and Vision Plus box. As we step through to the single beds, so storage also underneath the single beds and located in the cabinetry above and all around, so ample amount of storage, certainly not missing out there. Touch dimmable spotlights are dotted throughout the caravan, and the Clubman range individual LED spotlights also, to really set the lighting to exactly how you want. As we step through to the bathroom area, you've got an extremely spacious individual shower cubicle, high quality of finish on the sink with storage underneath, and your Thetford toilet to the left hand side with a shelf above and further dimmable spotlights also located in the bathroom. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Solaris 554 2018 has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk round tour, but if you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us here at Grantham and we'd be more than happy to help you. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.